If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Okay, folks, hi. It is mail call today, so let's get with it. Try not to get behind here. And when these came out, I let Frank know that I need to have one of each new color that has come out. And here they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he sent me all the colors. And we're going to get into that when I do the review on them. And that's, of course, the Platinum Preppies. And he sent me an extra one. Thank you, Mr. Frank. I'm not sure if he has any more in stock, but if you're interested, you can check out Federalist Pens and Papers and see what he has left. And these are going to be a fine nib, so I can't wait to dip into these little babies. Okay, so I am looking for a bottle of ink, and I mailed some boxes out yesterday, and I was wondering if I mistakenly put this bottle of ink in there. So, whoever received the box, let me know, please.
Would it have been in a little plastic sack like that?
Right, it would have been in a little sack like that because this is going to be going for a review coming up. All right, so now we got another box here. Another box. Oh, and I forgot to send that one. Oh well, one of them days. So here we go. Now here's a pen that I think either I'm the first to show it or may not have been the first. But here it is regardless. I'm just going to open the box up, tell you very little bit about it till I dip into the pen, and then I'll give you a full review of this pen. So the other day I was thinking about Jim Hines. You know who Jim Hines is, right? You got to know who Jim Hines is. Like everybody knows Jim Hines, right? I text him up and said, Jim, I need a pen to review. He gets right back to me and said, okay, I'll get you one out. So I'll get this back to Jim. All right, as soon as I review it next year. I'm teasing, just teasing. So let's get this little puppy open with so we can see, and I can see with you all, what this new pen's going to be. I think this pen will also be for sale, and it may be coming maybe at the pen show. Okay, well, I got a little that, and a little whatever that is, and of course the pen, and a note, and more paper. Wow, all right, cool. Let's open this up for a second. Okay, cool. So, this is going to be a prototype. Still working on it, but y'all know what a prototype is, correct? Cool. So, I do like the new Pen Hangout pen case. Look at that. What do you think? Yeah, they're cool. Look at that. Yeah, I do like them with that opening right here on the side. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So, I do like it. That is a plus in my book. I do like pen cases. Alright, so it opens up, and I want you to look at this beautiful pen. Gorgeous? Look at those colors, for real. These colors are beautiful. Wow. What do you think of it?
Oh, it's very nice, yes.
Look at the colors, the purples. Look at the beautiful blues and the greens, how well they go together. And some browns and some reds. It just pops all over the place. And on top of the finial now, you have Mr. Heinz logo. Think about that now, folks. Moving on up. So that's all I'm going to say right now. I am going to wait till I do the review. Okay? All right, folks. Well, that's going to wind it up for today. Hey, thank you for joining me on Mail Call. God bless. Be kind to a stranger. A lot of peace and a lot of love coming your way. Don't text. Don't drive. Bye-bye.